6 o'clock or 6:30. After playing, I will feed them. Or sometimes when I'm busy, I give them 7 o'clock in the evening, just dinner. Then in the morning, just a little bit. No lunch. Because I don't want to give 3 times a day. The dog's not eating 3 times a day because they will get fat. Right under your glove. Go get the ball, my love. It's where I find it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Good girl. Good girl, my sweetheart. You got it. Very good. I want to have a cut, the breaded, braided cut. Na breaded. The braided cut. I love to have a Maine Coon cut, but I didn't find here in the Philippines near me. So it's also expensive. Do you have a cut? If you have, I think I forgot. Yes, I have one cut, but the Bisaya cut, that's small cut. I want to have another one, the bigger one, the Maine Coon. Maine Coon or what's that breed? I forgot the name of that cat breed. Basta the bigger one, and many long hair. Come on, sweetheart, go run for exercise. Underneath your glove, 35. There's smell cherry. Kuhang-kuha, oy. Come on. What's that? Oops. Don't so close to me. Backward a little bit, love. Go backward, sweetheart. Go. You're so excited to catch, oy. You're not tired? Go run for exercise. She love catching. Catching. Alright, thank you for bringing the ball back. You're doing a fantastic play. Oh, what's that? Backward a little bit, my sweetheart. Dali. Oh, see? Go backward.